Top 5 Best Portable Workbench. Number 5. Lincoln K53341 Portable Welding Table. The Lincoln K53341 Portable Welding Table offers the perfect solution for both welding and general workbench needs. Constructed from durable 12-gauge steel, its 44-inch by 21-inch work surface is large enough to handle sizable projects, while 16mm holes and large slots provide flexible mounting and clamping options for oddly shaped materials. What makes this welding table so practical is its portability. When folded, it's only 8 inches high and features a handle, making it extremely easy to store or transport. Whether you're working in a workshop or traveling between job sites, this feature ensures convenience without compromising workspace functionality. The double locking legs ensure stability, even when handling heavy loads up to 500 pounds, and the spring-loaded pins allow for quick height adjustments. Whether you're welding, cutting, or using it as a general workbench, the Lincoln table stands up to the challenge with its robust steel construction. With its smart design and durability, the Lincoln K53341 is an excellent portable workbench for professionals and hobbyists alike, offering versatility, strength, and mobility in one compact package. Coming in number 4. Bora Portamate Miter Saw Stand Workstation. The Bora Portamate Miter Saw Stand Workstation is all about maximizing efficiency in the workshop. It allows you to mount miter saws or other power tools securely, ensuring precise cuts and a stable work surface. Its heavy-duty stainless steel frame supports up to 400 pounds, offering the strength and stability you need for demanding jobs. One of the most notable features is its universal fit, meaning it can accommodate a wide range of miter saws thanks to the adjustable mounting rails. This makes the stand highly versatile, allowing you to use it for various types of saws and tools. When it comes to portability, the 10-inch wheels and handle make moving the workstation easy, whether you're rearranging your shop or taking it on-site. The fold-out wings extend to offer additional workspace, giving you up to 90 inches of workbench space when fully extended. This flexibility is particularly useful when working with long pieces of material. Another smart design element is the reversible saw table. When not in use for cutting, the saw area can be flipped, creating a full, level table surface for other tasks, turning your miter saw stand into a versatile workbench. Compact, mobile, and incredibly functional, the Bora Portamate Miter Saw Stand is an excellent addition to any workshop or job site. Coming in number 3. Dewalt Adjustable Height Portable Steel Welding Table. For welding projects, the Dewalt Adjustable Height Portable Steel Welding Table offers incredible utility with its heavy-duty construction and innovative design. The 18-inch by 46-inch tabletop is made from durable steel and is peppered with 3/4-inch holes and slots, providing ample options for mounting and clamping various project sizes securely. The dual locking system on the folding legs ensures stability, preventing accidental retraction under heavy loads. Plus, the adjustable height allows you to set the table anywhere between 8 and 36 inches, catering to both low and high working positions. This feature gives you complete control over your workspace and makes it easier to work on projects of different shapes and sizes. An added convenience is the cord minder, which ensures the welding cable remains neatly organized while you maneuver around the workspace. The tool holding ring is another thoughtful feature, giving you a safe place to store welding guns and electrodes during use. With its dedicated grounding stud, this welding table takes care of your safety needs by providing a secure point for ground clamps and leads. When you're done working, the table folds down effortlessly and has a heavy-duty handle for portability. Whether you're a professional welder or a hobbyist, this Dewalt table offers a top-tier portable welding solution. Coming in number 2. WorkPro Miter Saw Stand 5-in-1 Portable Workbench. The WorkPro 5-in-1 Portable Workbench offers a combination of flexibility and utility with its folding and telescoping legs. These legs can be easily adjusted to 3 different heights, making it suitable for a variety of tasks. The non-slip feet add stability, ensuring a solid stance during use. This workbench is made with a robust steel frame, supporting up to 330 pounds. The frame's durability guarantees long-term use, even under heavy workloads. One of its standout features is the reversible panel, which has an anti-skid grain surface on one side for standing or stacking items, and a scale and protractor on the other side for precision tasks. The quick-loading miter saw stand is another highlight, allowing you to swiftly attach and detach your saw through metal toggle latches, ensuring a smooth workflow for repetitive cutting tasks. Another noteworthy aspect is its super mobility. Equipped with 2 swivel casters and 2 anti-skid wheels, This workbench easily transforms into a dolly, making it highly portable. It's perfect for transporting tools, heavy goods, or even as a creeper when folded. The large wheels are specifically designed to roll smoothly over uneven surfaces, ensuring you can move it around effortlessly. Finally, the storage compartments and built-in 3-head output sockets enhance convenience by providing space for tools and easy access to power. With this well-thought-out design, the WorkPro Miter Saw Stand 5-in-1 Workbench is an incredibly versatile tool for any workshop, offering both functionality and mobility. Coming in number 1. Pony Portable Folding Worktable. The Pony Portable Folding Worktable is designed to adapt to multiple work scenarios with its versatile 2-in-1 worktable functionality. Easily switch between a sawhorse and a workbench, making it ideal for various tasks whether you're working in your garage, garden, or job site. Its standout feature is the impressive 500-pound load capacity as a worktable and an incredible 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse, supported by a strong aluminum leg frame. This frame ensures superior strength and stability compared to other portable workbenches, making it a reliable companion for heavy-duty projects. One of the most convenient aspects of this workbench is its height adjustability, which ranges from 30 to 35 inch. This allows you to tackle different types of projects at various levels comfortably. Whether you're working on uneven surfaces like lawns or need to stand while working on intricate tasks, this feature provides the flexibility you need. Additionally, the set includes easy-hold bar clamps, bench dogs, and safety straps, which allow you to secure materials firmly in place, enhancing the precision and safety of your work. Plus, its collapsible design makes transportation and storage simple and hassle-free. Whether you're moving it between job sites or simply packing it away in your garage, the folding mechanism allows for easy handling. Overall, the Pony Portable Folding Worktable stands out as a robust and adaptable solution for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals looking for a reliable, transportable workbench.